Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz with a quick little video. I want to go over affiliate marketing and KDP selling, or selling low content books on Amazon's KDP network. I have experience doing both. I want to give you the pros and cons, letting you know which one's easier, which one's more difficult, the ins and outs, okay? Now I have 7 years of experience doing affiliate marketing, 7 years full-time experience doing affiliate marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a little bit longer, but as for a full-time affiliate marketer, about 7 years. As for KDP, about a little bit over a year, I would say, not that much, a year and some months, and I'm already making money with KDP, starting from zero, and I'm already profiting with KDP. So what's the big difference between affiliate marketing and KDP? Well, with affiliate marketing, the great pitch that you hear a lot online is, you don't have to create your own product, you don't have to do any type of sales copy, right? All you gotta do is send traffic to your affiliate link. Now the problem with that is, you know that affiliate links are ugly, okay? And who are you, right? Who are you, that anyone's gonna jump onto your affiliate link? You have to build a reputation, right? So that's another thing you have to worry about. That means you have to create your own website. Who out there is gonna trust a brand spanking new website? You gotta build a reputation. That also means you have to create an email list. You have to learn email marketing, right? And that's another thing you have to take care of, right? So that you can build a rapport, build a reputation, and create a following of people that trust your recommendations in whatever niche you choose to create content for, right? So there's a lot involved with affiliate marketing, and there's some great points about affiliate marketing. One of the best points, one of the best things or benefits of affiliate marketing, they can't take away your assets, right? No one can shut down your website. No one can take away your email list, right? So with affiliate marketing, you can take your reputation and move it on over to another platform if need be. Let's say, for example, I get traffic from Pinterest. Let's say, for example, Pinterest, for whatever reason, closes down my account. Well, I can go to Facebook and build a reputation there, build a following there, or I can do paid ads with Facebook, and so forth. And if they shut me down, I can go to Google, and so forth, right? It's basically, you have your website, which is like a ship, right? That you can sail anywhere you want. Your email list, your website is this, for lack of a better word, a brand that you can take anywhere, right? And no one can really shut you down. They can shut you down. They can shut down certain traffic sources, but not your website or your email list. Really important to remember, okay? With KDP and Amazon, this is much easier in my opinion, because, well, you don't have to build your own website. There's no need for it. You don't have to do email marketing. It'd be nice to do email marketing, but you don't need it at all, because people aren't really buying from you. Yes, it's true, some KDP authors have a following, but for the most part, people are buying from Amazon. You just happen to be there. And if you have a really cool cover, a really cool book, people are gonna buy from you, not because it's you, but because it's on Amazon. And they trust Amazon. They get that one-click buying power after Amazon Prime, and it leads to, of course, higher conversion rates, okay? So, but one of the big cons with Amazon, as you know, is if for some reason they don't like what you're doing, maybe you added some copyrighted material or something, I don't know, you just ran afoul with them, they can shut you down. That's it, lights out, right? So that's one of the big cons of KDP. But when it comes to newbies, if I was just starting out, I'd definitely focus on Amazon KDP, because the books, the types of products I can create are very simple. If you have the software, then if you've been watching any of my videos, then if you have the software, or if you have templates, then you can really create nice interiors, nice books that people want to buy. All you got to do is worry about the keywords you're targeting. That's really important, and the cover you create. I can't stress that enough. I really want to make this video as a comparison video, but I'm going to give you a little lesson, for lack of a better word. Okay, so you really do want to focus on the types of keywords you're targeting. You want that, that good balance of a good monthly search volume on Amazon's KDP network. At the same time, you want very little competition so that you can get to the top of Amazon search results. Okay, that's number one. Second, you want that cover. that cover that people see. Think of it as a thumbnail on YouTube, right? People click on the most attractive or most interesting thumbnails, before they watch the video. Same thing with books. It's kind of like an advertisement, a free advertisement, where people see your cover, they click on it, and then, of course, hopefully, they convert into a sale. So keywords, really important. Do your keyword research. Check out, I have information down below, videos and courses down below for free that you can get. But do your due diligence with keywords and create those killer covers so that you can convert traffic into clicks and, again, hopefully into sales. Back to the topic. Okay, so KDP. You don't have to build a website. They have built-in traffic. Not only is it built-in traffic on KDP, but it's buyer traffic, right? People on Amazon are there to buy or are there to research something they're going to buy, okay? So you have this great platform that you can leverage to make sales. Another con of KDP is, well, the royalties, right? You don't make the lion's share of the sale, right? So Amazon has to account for printing, color, if there's color in the books, shipping, all that jazz. So you get a royalty for that, right? So I usually try to hit $2.50 to $3, depending on the type of book and the size of the book. But that's the amount of money I get per sale, right? About $2.50 to $3. And with that, you can account for ads if you want to do Amazon ads. And that's another positive benefit. As of right now, what is it, March 4th, 5th, 2021, Amazon ads are extremely cheap. I mean, dirt cheap, okay? You can get clicks for 21 cents, 18 cents, 30 cents, and you can spend maybe $2, $5 a day around there to find winning keywords. And again, I have tutorials down below for that. And then from there, you can find those golden nugget keywords, create a new ad campaign, and get more passive sales that way. Make more, spend less. But that's a whole different topic. Information down below. But I just want to talk about the benefits of the KDP and the cons, right? So the pros are, you don't have to build your own website. You don't have to create your own reputation. You don't have to do any type of email marketing. All you gotta worry about, research, covers, and great books. And the great book part you can automate with software and templates. So covers and keywords, basically. And keywords, you can use tools to do that too. So that's what I think about both. One really important thing, whatever path you decide, there's many ways to make money online. There's also printables. I also sell printables online and PODs, but that's a whole different topic. For right now, whatever path you take, make sure you focus on that path until you're successful. Whatever you think success is for that path, you make a certain amount of money a day. Once you're successful doing that, then I recommend moving on over to another type of income stream or online money-making strategy, okay? So that's, again, what I think of affiliate marketing and KDP. I hope you like this video. If you like this type of video, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I need a drink of water. I've been talking for 8 minutes now. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.